Hi, in this video we are going to see about data mining and data warehousing. So, data mining it focuses on analyzing data where we can able to deal with the data which were already stored and that the stored data we can able to manage from the centralized one. So here mining process it deals with the data where it has been stored in a large amount of data. So when the data collection is over, after collecting the data we have to analyze the data. So we have to process the data with uh, some patterns where we have to find and deal with. So while correlating with the large data sets, we have to identify the relationships between the data. So that is the main process of data mining. So here when data mining it now currently the data mining is used in real time environment that relates to the all platforms that deals with AI or the data collection process where for example we can consider with Amazon, Flipkart, eBay. So here and all the data mining is a major one where the customer review a product, the customer buy the product, so the customer deal with the product. So how many customers buy the product for the particular month, how many customers have review about that particular product, that and all comes under the data collection and data analyzing. Through that we can use the data mining tools where we can able to give the business organization to predict the customer behavior. So what type of customer preferences we they used to have, and what type of customer will choose to select the product, and what their lifestyle, how they are, their way of choosing the product, their likes and dislikes. So everything we can able to deal with the data mining tools. So it is not only the model to eliminate the redundancy or the fraud, but also it helps to manage the time. It helps to detect the risks, frauds, and within the market segmentation also. And then the advantages of data mining. So when we deal with the data mining tools or the process, we also have more and more advantages where the data analysis helps to detect and identify any fault, any risk, or any fraud or redundancy within the implementation. So this the data mining method not only helps for a better prediction analysis part, but also when compared to the statistical data application, here the data mining methods are both cost effective and efficient. So when the companies that deals with the advantages of the data mining, they will be prescribing with the data analytics tool for predicting the appropriate results, not with the approximate result. So the data mining tools will give the appropriate results. So 100% they can go with that particular decision or that particular option for the further enhancement of their business or the decision in their domain itself. So here not only the analysis part and the identification part majorly deals with the data mining, but also the techniques they used to have, that also the major advantages in the data mining. So the disadvantages is no other none other model existing in the real time applications or the tool will give the 100% accurate results. So that leads to the major disadvantages. And the other one, and also the other one advantages, when we use the algorithms, and then it also deal with working with different ways, but also the resources that we use to train or the or to implement those algorithms will be more complicated. And the next one is data warehousing. So it is the it is the concept where it has been built to support the management functions. So where in previously in data mining we used to extract the information or the pattern or the prediction data, where it helps to make the good decisions. But in data warehousing, it is the most compiling process or the compiling information into a data warehouse. So here it not only stores the large amount of data sets, but also it receives the data sets from various resources. The process that it used to retrieval will be more and more faster, efficient, and it gives the better analysis part also. So it also supports in reporting and decision making. So it is a technology where to support the management decision making, and it is a platform to for data cleaning, data integration, and data implementation also. In data warehousing, um, it consolidates the data from many sources, where and where the data ensure will be available, that results in data quality, consistency, and accuracy. So it contains only the non-volatile data integrated and the subject-oriented data. So data flows into the data warehouse from various databases. The source can be from anywhere, and then it can transform the data. Finally, it give into the target data. So that target data only the data, the management system or the end user will need to make decisions into a final one. So while organizing the data warehouse works by based on some schema. So that schema only describes the layout or the type of the data. So here we use the query tools to analyze the tables and the schema. So the major advantages of the data warehousing is it incorporate the data which was easier to understand, and then it input the raw data where the user needs or the where the user expects to meet out at final outcome of that particular decision or the business management. And then it also holds a large volume of the data where periodically it change over and create predictions for future. The disadvantages of data warehousing is, so it also includes some accumulating or the irrelevant data. So here the data loss may occur, and then data gathered from various sources is also a disadvantage because it occupies more memory within the data warehouse, right? So cleansing and transformation is required periodically, so this will be a difficult task. So this one will be considering as the major disadvantage. Thank you.